Hello, everyone. This is Kerry Desberg, Chief Marketing Officer for Impartner. Welcome to our webinar today, the top 10 ways Impartner accelerates channel revenue 32.3%. I'm pleased to be joined today by our Global Director of Product Marketing, Trevor Burnett. Hello, Trevor.
Hello.
Glad you're here. We do a lot of webinars in Impartner, and I have to tell you, this is one of my favorite topics, how Impartner delivers value to our customers. There are a lot of technologies in the market, and naturally, most can deliver some level of value to your business. All of us, myself included, spend our days as business professionals setting and working to meet goals that take our business forward. We're all focused on delivering powerful performance increases of 5%, 10%, 20%. And generally, if we do that, we're feeling pretty good about ourselves, right? But imagine then, if there's a lever you can pull that delivers more than 30% increase in performance, 32.3% to be exact. Do you know of another more powerful lever you can pull to accelerate the performance of your channel? What's exciting is this is exactly what our customers tell us. In our second biannual customer study using the Qualtrics platform, who we are proud to call Qualtrics customer, in results that are anonymized back to us, our customers tell us that this is the average revenue increase Impartner PRM helps them deliver in the first year of use alone. In that same study, they also tell us we reduce their administrative costs 29%. We increase our competitive advantage 78%, and 77% tell us we generate ROI in 18 months or less. Without question, these results have resulted in absolutely explosive growth for Impartner. We are incredibly proud to count some of the world's brightest, biggest, and fastest growing companies amongst our customer base. As we shared the 32.3% metric, many have asked, how do you do that? How do you deliver that value? That's what this webinar explores. Naturally, it's not just one thing. It's the cumulative effect of the many things that Impartner PRM helps you optimize and amplify for your partners and for you throughout the entire partner journey. So I'm going to turn this over to Trevor to break down the top 10 ways we deliver this value. And I promise, by the time he's done, if you're worried that there isn't any room left on this slide to add your company's logo, don't you worry. We left room for you right here. So take it away, Trevor.
All right. Thanks, Kerry. So, yeah, I wanted to dive in exactly how that 32.3% revenue increase is possible with our customers. And at the heart of it all, increasing your revenue is mainly based in solving the challenges that your company faces when managing your channel. So the way that we created this top 10 list was a result of extensive market research, talking to hundreds of customers, prospects, industry experts. We read top channel articles, etc. And we found the most common challenges that companies like yours face in how the Impartner solution solves them. So as you read this top list of solutions, you can know that there are masses of channel pros that have or are struggling in this area with whatever approach they're using or have used. And maybe some of them on this list address a frustration or challenge that you too are facing today. And as we dive a little deeper into each of these 10 points during the session, which are not ranked in any particular order of importance, by the way, I will point out the common challenge that was discovered in our research and how Impartner addresses that challenge with our solutions, along with what customers are telling us that they're seeing as a result by providing the relevant anonymous survey data that we've collected in our report. All right, so the first one, no matter how much more value you drive out of your existing partners, if you want to truly grow and scale your partner program and convey to the best partners that you are a desirable company with top-flight technologies, your partner portal must match that promise. And if you're like many channel programs out there that have a manual, resource-heavy process to onboard new partners, your ability to scale is limited, and worse yet, provides a bad first impression for new partners and may actually drive them away or cause them to fall into the dreaded land of no engagement. To solve for this, Impartner's product vision is from new partner to first dollar out of the box. That's what really drives what we set up within our tool. And our platform offers intuitive workflows and tools to provide a world-class partner journey, starting at the recruitment and guiding them toward profitability by serving up segmented content and next steps. And the result is our customers boost their channel revenue by scaling their partner program in an optimized fashion to get partners onboarded and profitable, led by the reported average increase of 45% in ability to recruit and onboard new partners, as it says there. And this correlation is supported by an iPad report that found that 86% of partners make their decision on whether to work with a vendor based on their partner portal. So you're certainly gaining a competitive advantage if you can provide an easier and more intuitive tool than the alternative solutions that your competitors are asking your partners to use. And also, as we noted there, we have a case study on our website. You can watch the video about Cambium Networks, where they say they onboarded 1,500 new partners within a few months. So that's the kind of scalability that we're able to provide. All right, second point is the next logical thing to talk about, which is enabling your partners through training and certification, as that's commonly tied to the onboarding process. And if you're like many channel programs out there and have a manual, resource-heavy process to onboard your new partners, your ability to scale is limited. So you're going to have a hard time with that and not be able to scale and grow that revenue. So just as your direct sales team needs to be trained on new product tools that are available to them, so does your indirect channel. This is important because to get it right, and have a well-trained partner base that sells more, it will take less of your involvement as the vendor. And to solve for this, it starts with understanding that getting your partner signed up for your portal is just the first step of the journey. And just getting them login credentials, you can't stop it there at that point. So guiding them in a scalable way to be fully knowledgeable and enabled as active partners who increase your revenue is the next step and a key predictor of partner success. Impartner's training and certification module, or your integrated LMS of choice, allows you to keep your partners informed, enabled, and effective. And many Impartner customers incentivize their partners to be trained by leveraging segmentation to automatically level up their certified partners to increase tools, pass more leads, or be listed higher on their partner locator is a couple of examples. And the result is a very impactful, as our research shows that when automated training is a consistent factor, it truly separates customers and companies who experience a transformative leap in channel revenue performance from those with only a modest or incremental growth, if any. And the supporting numbers from our report are that 75% of customers claim an increase in ability to scale, and 37% without any significant addition to their channel team. And also we have 35% of customers reporting 35% of their increase is attributed to better training of their partners. All right, the next point is something that seems like basic blocking and tackling, to use an American football metaphor, but if it's not handled correctly, can contribute to the top challenge that channel programs face, because the #1 reason for partner attrition is channel conflict, which arises without a dependable and efficient deal registration process. So our research found that according to data from a recent article in CRM magazine, it said 55% of channel partners report that they go toe-to-toe with a vendor's direct sales force, and 46% of them rated the channel enterprise space as having conflict with partners from the same vendor. So that's a significant concern that a majority of partners have identified. And to solve for this, Impartner PRM solution provides a best-in-class experience for both partners and those who manage their pipeline on the vendor side, for you internally. And Impartner comes out of the box with best practice workflows for deal registration and approval. And most importantly, our integration into CRM such as Salesforce and Microsoft Dynamics and others are bidirectional and real-time, so that the sales activity for both the direct and indirect selling efforts can be managed in a single platform, and is always the source of truth. So that means that we treat your CRM as the single source of truth, and you're not managing duplication of data, which is a big issue people run into. And real-time integration means partners get fast approvals that your TAMs or your channel managers are always on the same page and able to collaborate on a deal-by-deal basis, thus lowering your channel conflict. And the result is very impactful, as our research shows that when automated, it says that our customers report 80% reduction in channel conflict, and also they gain the ability to offer same-day deal registration approvals, which shortens that sales cycle and removes any roadblocks. All right, now that we've solved the channel conflict and have better visibility into the partner pipeline, we run into another challenge, which is tracking performance in a clear and transparent way. Many companies have shied away from the channel for fear that they'll be unable to manage channel sales with the same levels of visibility as direct sales, making channel sales feel unpredictable and repeatable. And 50%, according to a CBC report recently, it says that 50% of channel partners cited that vendors have limited visibility into their key performance indicators and pipeline. Ouch. And then 61% of channel partners report that vendors have insufficient reporting on approvals, payout status, and lack of information on incentives. That's going to be a big problem if you're not able to solve for that. So what we do with Impartner is we provide channel managers with the tools they need to crack open that black box on partner performance and be able to optimize and prioritize time and resources. For example, our business planning module that we have in the screenshots here, it allows channel managers to set and share KPIs with their partner accounts, which allows partners in turn to see exactly where they stand at any given time in relation to their provided targets. And as a result, they aren't surprised or frustrated that they didn't accomplish what they need to hit gold status, for example. And it's something that can be easily tracked on demand, just like when I see how close I am to gold status on Delta. I clearly know when I log in that I'm just mere 30 flights away to from the Bay Area away from being gold status, and I'm there. All right, so as a result of this clarity in tracking performance, Impartner customers report seeing a 50% increase in their CAM's ability to meet quota, and overall 26% increase in the number of partners improving their performance. So just tracking and giving that visibility has a real tangible impact. All right, next point is it's been proven time and time again that those who market effectively to their partners are the ones that win in the end. And yet, channel teams commonly require external resources, such as IT or marketing departments, to help them send out communications to their partners, which means usually waiting at the end of backlogs and ending up with stale information being sent out once your project finally hits the top of the queue. What Impartner does is we offer a solution that the channel team can own, and we provide enterprise marketing tools that you can use in a self-service manner. So that way there's no waiting in line for the corporate marketing tools and no begging for outside resources to assist. You're able to completely control your world and all the communications with an intuitive and code-free tool. And also all partner communications are based on our Segment AI technology, which ensures that you are clearly communicating targeted content so that the right partner gets the right content at the right time. And this results in a significant uptick in partner engagement with the critical content you're passing along so that your channel remains focused. And for example, our news on demand customers alone, they report an increase in newsletter open rates by 40% and a reduction in production, that sounds great. They reduce production times by 50% because it's so much easier to create the content. And specifically, one of our customer cases, again available on our website, comes from CommScope, and in their video, they say that for them, Impartner PRM provides, quote, a much improved user experience to dramatically increase their portal engagement. All right, and speaking of engagement, that's another pain point that channel programs worldwide experience on a regular basis. Vendors that offer suboptimal partner portals struggle to get partners engaged and using the tools they provide. In fact, a recent CompTIA survey of channel partners around the world found that 49% of them cited that vendor tools are too difficult to use. That's a big problem. If your tool makes it more difficult to do business with you versus what the competitor provides, guess what? That's not going to bode well for you. And in our experience, we found that a very effective way to keep partners engaged is by taking some lessons from our experience as everyday consumers. Because every day, we all make decisions about which websites to visit to run our personal lives. For news, communication, traveling, shopping, etc., you go back to whatever those sites are for new information. And in today's market, if you have a fundamental expectation for an easy-to-use and personalized experience. So if that same expectation now can be fully extended to business solutions that people use, such as a partner portal, you're going to have a huge leg up. And Impartner has sophisticated content management tools that enable you to keep content fresh and personalized without ever needing to touch code. That's a common theme you may notice. And we ensure that every user of the system gets the right information at the right time to enable them to do their job more effectively. And we also provide extensive channel intel reports so that you can easily identify what is working and what may need some reconsideration, what may be sagging that you can identify also. And in the end, you can reap the rewards of increased mindshare and more engaged partners that will naturally favor working with you over your competition. And as you can see on the slide, our reports show that our customers see an average increase in engagement by leveraging our platform tools, such as content management powered by Segment AI. And our website also has a case study video from our friends at Ingersoll Rand, where they explain how they, quote, wanted to provide a cohesive, holistic experience for our partners, and Impartner allowed us to do that. And the result is everything our portal is designed to give our distributors that competitive edge that other distributors don't have, close quote. So that's exactly what we aim for with each of our PRM customers, a valuable competitive edge that sets you apart. All right, for reason number 7, your company probably has a team of highly capable, highly experienced, and highly paid channel leaders who can help you recruit the best partners and work together with them to create the most valuable strategies. But that costs money. And if they're tied up doing administrative work on spreadsheets to track partner recruiting or MDF spend instead of driving business, you are wasting their value. There is a better way. So Impartner comes with workflows to automate the mundane processes and intuitive UI-based tools to make management easy. And by automating these operational basics, your best talent can shift their focus from procedural to creating strategic relationships with your partners that truly elevate your program. And our survey numbers say that Impartner customers experience a 29% decrease in administrative costs, which correlates with a recent Forrester research article that states that for every dollar invested in PRM, you get a $10 savings in manual labor, which is a huge impact. All right, so really the combination of all the previous points we talked about so far contributes to building partner loyalty. And loyal partners are those who will sell more of your product versus your competitor's product, because unless you have a monopoly on the market, the challenge is that most, if not all, of your partners also sell and or refer other solutions from your competitors. And as you know, loyalty is a two-way street. So you need to be doing the right things on your end to expect loyalty in return. And Impartner provides multiple ways that can help you build loyalty within your partner ecosystem in scalable and cost-effective ways. In addition to what's already been mentioned, I've highlighted a few other key capabilities that we handle to provide loyalty building value to your partners. And listed here is the Partner Locator, which is best described as a channel marketing engine where we make generating quality leads for your partners one of the main focuses of our locator, not just driving traffic to your partners' websites, but actually generating the leads directly there on your site. and distributing them to partners. And related to that, lead distribution, a module that allows you to easily assign qualified leads to your partners directly from your CRM. And providing such value to top partners certainly secures their loyalty for you. And many companies distribute leads to top performing partners and as a way of providing additional incentive or value that way. And also with sales enablement, our customer survey shows that 36% of increased channel revenue is attributed to better sales enablement that our PRM platform provides. And in the end, the number we're very proud of is that 78% of our customers surveyed say that Impartner PRM gives them a competitive advantage. All right, point number 9, we're almost there, guys. Point number 9 hits on something that we've noticed as an emerging trend in the channel, what's been called the shadow channel, or in other words, the non-traditional partners. And the shadow channel has emerged because business unit buyers who make 72% of purchasing decisions have increasingly turned to disparate groups to help implement technology given their role as trusted advisors. And Impartner addresses this challenge with our referral automation platform, which brings the same process and structure that we've created with managing traditional partner models to managing and rewarding your referral partners. And this allows you to gain visibility into this world of influencers, or advocates as we call them, and motivate them to steer quality leads your direction with automated rewards on what you deem as quality or qualifying leads. And the result of implementing such a program has the potential to increase your revenue just from referrals alone by 30%. And finally, the last point, number 10, is of how Impartner increases your revenue, is by having a team of channel experts, both in-house and through our growing partner ecosystem. This is important because the most common question that our customers ask is how to best configure their platform to follow best practices. So every business is unique in how they manage the channel and has different rules and processes, but with our decades of experience, we have a lot of battle wounds to share with you to help avoid common pitfalls, along with solid background of victories to help guide you down the right path every step of the way. And our experienced customer success team has a large library of best practice actions to guide you. This grid kind of gives you a snippet of what we have involved there. So it gives you suggested campaigns, for example, to market to your partners who fall on inactive, or adjustments you can make if deal registration starts to sag or flatten. Either way, we've got you covered. And as I mentioned, we also have a wonderful community of partners who are not only experts in the Impartner solution, but very knowledgeable in the channel. And you can easily find the right one that matches your needs through our partner locator, which is linked from our customer website, or our corporate website, I should say. And so yes, we're even drinking our own champagne with the locator. All right, so if anything we've said here today resonates with you, we'd love to show you more and discuss your specific needs with a personalized demo. So you can reach out through our website and request that today. Otherwise, back to you, Kerry.
All right, thank you, Trevor. Thank you, everyone, for joining. To echo what Trevor said, if you'd like a demo, just reach out on our website, impartner.com. We would love to talk to you about how we can deliver these results for your business. Thank you.